Excess body heat is one of the least talked aspects of skincare, but at the same time, it is one of the major causes of oily skin and excessive sebum production. Studies have shown that more than 80% of people suffering from oily skin have excess body heat problems. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll look at one of the most common causes of oily skin, something that often goes unnoticed, and that is excess body heat. While heredity, hormone imbalances, and food are frequently discussed, the effect of body heat on sebum production is rarely mentioned. Now I won't bore you by explaining what sebum or skin oil is, how it is produced, and all that stuffs because you are not here for that. So, let's dive right into the topic. Now you may be wondering how our body's excess heat is related to our skin. Let's understand that first. The human body regulates heat to maintain a normal temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The body creates heat through a number of physiological processes, including cellular metabolism, digestion, and muscle contraction. However, a condition may occur in which the body begins to absorb excessive heat, resulting in an increase in body temperature. This state is commonly known as hypothermia or heat stress. The human body's natural instinct is to try to get rid of excess heat by transferring it to the skin. The skin maintains body temperature by emitting heat into its surroundings. This is the primary reason why body heat is closely related to skin disorders. If you have excessive body heat, your body's natural cooling mechanism activates the sweat and sebaceous glands. This overactive sebaceous gland is responsible for excessive oil production. Excess body heat dilates blood vessels near the skin's surface, allowing heat to escape. This increased blood flow may cause the sebaceous glands to create more oil. Along with skin oiliness, excess body heat is also associated with skin redness, inflammation, hair loss, skin pigmentation, enlarged pores, and a lot of other skin issues. So, the big question is, how to reduce excess body heat? Here I will be sharing with you few scientifically proven ways to reduce body heat. The first one is coconut water. Drinking coconut water daily is an extremely effective way of reducing excess body heat. It naturally has cooling properties that is quite helpful in keeping the body calm and hydrated. A good tip about consuming coconut water is to apply the leftover malai to the face to soothe and moisturize it. Cold foot bath is another tried and tested method to reduce body heat. The cold water can absorb excess body heat, helping in keeping the body temperature down. Just dip your foot in cold water every day for about 10 minutes before going to bed. This is something that I highly recommend based on my own experience. Similarly, using clay pots to store drinking water can also help reduce body heat. I doubt many of you expected this to be on the list, but drinking water from an earthen pot is possibly the best way to drink water. This traditional method of drinking water from clay pots boosts metabolism, resulting in less heat produced throughout the procedure. Its alkaline properties also help to keep the body's pH levels stable. The small pores on the clay pot gently cool the water by air circulation, making it a superior alternative to refrigerated water. Also consume hydrating foods as much as you can. The primary reason you should stay hydrated to prevent extra body heat is to have enough fluid to sweat. The evaporation of sweat leads the skin to cool down, lowering body temperature. Begin eating cucumbers on a daily basis, as they not only hydrate but also moisturize and decrease skin irritation. Other fantastic meals for skin hydration include nuts and seeds, sweet potatoes, watermelon, and oranges. Carrots, broccoli, and spinach are also excellent foods for overall skin health. That's all. These were some of the scientifically proven ways to reduce excess body heat. I have an entire blog post on excess body heat and how it affects skin health. It has almost everything you need to know about body heat's relation with skin. You can check that out too. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please support me by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.